Friends, when we don't have so much time in our hand to do 30 minutes or more than that exercise, pranayam, gym, and etc. etc. So that is the moment when we can use Hasta Yoga Mudra to get lot of benefits in our lives, and we can do this at any place at any moment like this. So whereas nowadays the season has been changing, and due to that reason many of us have been suffering severe cold and cough nowadays. So today I'll show you linga mudra and yoga mudra for cold and cough. We have to use our both hands together to do this mudra. 4 to 5 minutes repeatedly we can do in a 3 sets. And another is linga mudra, that is like we have to interlock our hands and thumb should be in upright position. So just we have to sit and we have to do this 4 to 5 minutes. So let's do it to remove our cold and cough as soon as possible. Thank you.